And next element of dynamic programming, optimal substructure. It implies that the optimal solution can be obtained from the optimal solution of its subproblem. So, optimal substructure is simply an optimal selection among all the possible substructure that can help to select the best structure of the same kind to exist. And next is type of dynamic programming. First is digital algorithm for the shortest path problem, and secondly is Fibonacci sequence, and next is checkerboard, next is sequence alignment, and Tower of Hanoi puzzle, and 8-dropping puzzle, and lastly is matrix chain multiplication. And for the conclusion, we can see that dynamic programming pretty much does the same thing as divide and conquer. But notice that the subproblem can be overlapping as opposed to being independent. Dynamic programming is more efficient than its counterpart in the way that it allows for reuse of intermediate results and often dramatically reduce operational time complexity, but at the expense of resource complexity, memory, or space, and that should not slip our mind when making a decision for which approach to use. The key to solving a problem using dynamic programming essentially is to give it a good thought when breaking the problem into sub-problems. And here are for the reference. So I think that's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoy when watching my presentation. And thank you everyone. Stay safe during the pandemic, and bye.
Created using Powtoon.